si Patrick Tulfo sa Rapido ni Tulfo. Rapido ni Tulfo.
Yung papanagutin naman po yung sa Senado yung sa custody, based on your knowledge, of course. Yung bang nag-custody, for example, again, without naming names, can that person be held liable because under his custody, tumakas yung kinustody niya using the power of the Senate, for example, sir?
First of all, related yan sa immunity, no? Ng member of Congress from arrest while Congress is in session. When the Senate is in session, pero may kulatili yan under the Constitution if the offense is punishable by less than 6 years imprisonment.
Yes.
Itong crime against humanity of murder, ang penalty nito is more than 12 years.
Yes, sir.
So hindi that constitutional immunity from arrest relative conditional cannot apply kasi under Philippine law that kind of offense is punishable by up to reclusion perpetua yan.
Yes, sir.
Life imprisonment yan. So hindi mag-qualify. That's one, no? So Senator Bato cannot invoke that provision na he cannot be arrested while Congress in session. Secondly, Congress has no authority to grant protective custody. Walang ganyan. There's no such thing. There's no such legal animal na the Senate can just say you cannot arrest our member. Hindi. Pwede ma-arrest at any time, kahit na may session, if the penalty is more than 6 years, 6 years or more. So, ngayon, if you prevent the law enforcers, like the NBI, from arresting Bato, you are the president of the Senate or you are a member of the, that is obstruction of justice. Ang penalty niyan, if you are convicted, is ang accessory penalty, aside from imprisonment, there is perpetual disqualification to hold office. So pag si Robin at saka let's say Cayetano are charged and they are convicted, then they cannot run for election anymore or be appointed to public office. Accessory penalty yan.
Opo. So sir, pwede nang isama yung aiding and abetting a wanted felon. Am I right, sir?
Well, yeah, nasa obstruction of justice. Pag if your aiding and abetting prevents the service of the summons, of course.
Opo.